Especially I was like looking older, especially my girlfriend and other friends, they were like making jokes on me. My girlfriend, she was like, well, I'm serious, Jaime, you're getting bald. I mean, and you look like older. The surgery was like easy, it was fast. They was doing the surgery, I was like watching TV. He saw me with my new hair, so he was like, damn man, you look younger, you look better now, you know. This is the only loan payment that I do monthly with a smile on my face. This is the best investment that I do.
I was about 24 years old when I first noticed hair was thinning. I was constantly worried about my hair on a daily basis. It was affecting my day-to-day life on a scale that was becoming ridiculous. I looked on the website, I looked at the videos, I looked at the testimonials, I looked at the day of my procedure was much less stressful than I thought it would be. It was much less painful. Tell anyone that I knew, anyone who asked me to Dr. Bolton, to save them time, just go to Dr. B.
Usually naturally. The results achieved were better than expected. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I know. Be very honest about what their expectations could be. I came back today to thank Dr. Bolton and his staff. I felt the best of care. And
when I was about 46, I noticed that my hair had started receding. The whole thing, the whole experience was just excellent. I mean, it couldn't have been any better. It was almost an enjoyable experience. He really made the day a fun day. Nobody really noticed. This isn't even 6 months yet, and it's growing pretty fierce. You know, I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others. In fact, I already have recommended him to several people on my staff. And I'd like to thank the entire staff here. Everybody was absolutely brilliant.
I had fears of just all my hair just falling out. My hair was to the point where there was nothing I could do with it. I feel the investment was well worth it. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to others. It was a fantastic result. It was a great experience. It was surprisingly easy, and I'm just a happy customer.